Karan. Emergency clamp box. This product comes in three types. RCN 600 type, from the minimum size of 200 mm to the maximum size of 600 mm with a 500 mm length. RCN 800 type, from the minimum size of 350 mm to the maximum size of 800 mm with a 600 mm length. RCN 1200 type, from the minimum size of 600 mm to the maximum size of 1200 mm with a 800 mm length. You can repair various pipes in different sizes and different classes by mixing the jaws inside each emergency box using the provided table. For example, a 300 mm cast iron dactyl pipe is fractured. Reading the table on the RCN 600 type emergency box, we find the cast iron dactyl clamp in the uses row and choose jaws E and B from the part name row to repair the pipe in question. You can purchase new jaws to replace the ones you've already used in your emergency box. Karan Company. Designing and producing all types of repairing and closure clamps in the water, oil and petrochemical industries.